Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video of our front-end development course right here on YouTube. I'm Prathamesh. I'm super excited to have you join me on this journey where we'll learn how to build beautiful, responsive, and modern websites from scratch. Whether you are a complete beginner, someone looking to switch careers, or a developer wanting to sharpen your front end skills, this course is made for you. And the best part, it's 100% free right here on YouTube. Here's what you can expect from this course. We'll start with the basics HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then we'll dive into modern tools like React, Material UI, and much more. Along the way, you'll work on real world projects to apply everything we learn together. And I'll also share pro tips, tools, and resources that will help you become a job ready front end developer. So, if you are ready to start creating amazing websites, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and follow along with the entire series. I can't wait to see what you'll build. Let's get started. I'll see you in the next video.